There's several dashboards that you can select from depending on your job title and depending on what information you want, and you can also tailor the dashboards to suit your needs. So I would say there is a dashboard for every single user. I've got a couple that I like using, same with the guys in the office, that they look at the different dashboards depending on what answers they want. Whether you want to find out how many quotes you've done, how many orders have been converted from quotes, how many problem service calls are still outstanding. It gives you all that information just at a glance, and you can just click straight through to those different sections.
RFM reporting is there on the dashboard straight away, so you can click on different elements of that. It also gives me sort of a running total of value of orders over the last, actually it's got 3 years worth on there, and each month and such like, so you can clearly see what's going on there. It does also give you a sort of a leader table of the reps as to how many quotes and such like they've signed off and the value of them and such like. So it does give quite a good snapshot straight away that you can instantly see what's going on.
Using Prospect, we've also been able to analyse the data surrounding our customer behaviour. Some of our customers buy one product, some buy all of the products, and being able to analyse who's buying what, we can actually now look at doing targeted campaigns to introduce them to the new products that they may not even have known were in our portfolio.
The big benefit for me as a manager overseeing sales staff is the reflectability of what's gone on through the day. I can see things being input. I've got a very clean dashboard to see sales growing. I can see where customers are slipping off, where they haven't spoken to us for a while, where orders haven't been placed. There are little functions and gizmos within the package which give me that accessibility to fine-tune areas that I'm missing, but also areas that I'm gaining, so I can then focus on that and run sales adverts and move things in the right direction to build on the sales that we're picking up. So if a trend moves one way and cleaners seem to be hitting the market, then I can basically look into that area and then grow that with all the customers, push an advert out for cleaners to help drive the sales along with those.